Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to delete a sent email in Outlook before the recipient reads it. This is incredibly useful if you've spotted a mistake, sent something to the wrong person, or simply need to retract a message before it's seen. Start by opening your Microsoft Outlook app and log into your account to load in your emails. Once everything is loaded and you can see your inbox, we're ready to move forward with recalling that sent message. Now head over to your Sent Items folder. This is where all your previously sent emails are stored. Look through the list and locate the specific email you wish to delete. Once you've found it, simply double-click on it to open the message in a new window. This step is important because you need to open the email fully to access the recall options. From the Send Email screen, and this is crucial, the recipient must not have read the email yet for this to work. Look at the top part of your screen where you'll find various options and buttons. Click on the Actions drop-down menu. This menu contains several advanced features for managing your sent messages. From here, you'll see an option labeled Recall this message. Go ahead and click on it. A recall message window will appear on your screen. This is where you'll configure exactly how you want to handle the recall. You'll see a couple of options here, but for our purpose, simply toggle the option that says Delete unread copies of this message. This tells Outlook that you want to completely remove the email from the recipient's inbox, provided they haven't opened it yet. Once you've selected this option, click on OK to confirm your choice. Outlook will now start to process the deletion of the sent email. You'll see a brief notification or progress indicator as the system attempts to recall the message from the recipient's mailbox. It's important to note that if the email has already been read by the recipient, Outlook will fail to recall and delete the email. The recall feature only works on unread messages, so timing is everything here. And that's it. You've successfully recalled and deleted your sent email before it could be read. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.